Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can end recurring invoice, so recurring sales invoice on accounting. We need to go to recurring templates, so go through sales invoices and click on second tab, which is recurring templates. From here, for example, I want to stop this recurring template or recurring invoice. Either I can stop by clicking on end and it will be terminated now, or when you click on edit and go to schedule section, you can select an end and select an end date. So I will select 15th of June and click save. From here, it's showing that schedule has ended now. Let's go to sales and invoices, recurring templates. Oh, something happened. I think so, I crashed. So this is a way how you can completely disconnect, not in even recurring templates, but also, I think so, server.